How to check current Snapchat password on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your current Snapchat password on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, to tell you upfrontly, Snapchat does not have or does not allow viewing your password directly in the app, but there is a roundabout ways through which you can see your Snapchat password. So here to do that, you simply have to open the settings app. And now here, once you're inside the settings, what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on Google. And now here in this section at the top, you'll see two tabs. So from there, you just have to tap on All Services tab, and for that, also make sure that you have selected the current Google account in where you have saved your Snapchat password. And from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Autofill with Google. And now here in this page, just tap on Google Password Manager, and after that on the next page you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to find the Snapchat, and here once you have found it you simply have to tap on it. And after that you may have to enter pin, password, or fingerprint to verify your identity. And once you're done with it, and here on the next page you'll be able to see your password. And that's it. With this, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.